Oh yeah. There we go. This is one of the nice boxes too, with the easy peel. Just pull to open. Requires very little problem solving on my part, which is nice. Damn it. That didn't work as planned. Requires a little bit of problem solving, but not much. Everyone ready? I may have accidentally placed an order for like the entire 1982 run of Hustler the other day, but I don't think this is it. It's not big enough. It's probably something else. It's Heyzoos the Coked Up Chicken! Issue number 3. It's not as good as a 1980s Hustler, but you know, it'll do. Let's open it up. Oh, there's some backstory. And I don't want to give it all away, so. Actually, the first time I've seen it in print, you may have seen the videos where I actually drew this stuff. First time I've seen it in print. This is a book where Heyzoos the Coked Up Chicken basically embarks on a mission to save the universe. His drunken, drug-addled haze forms a special kind of clairvoyance, a double vision required to win the conflict ahead. Oh, Heyzoos, you're the best. They end up in Truxton, New York. That turned out good. Crushing drums, thunderous guitar riffs, heartfelt lyrics. It's the zone of danger. Oh, this is looking nice. Okay, I'm pretty happy about this. Let's see, let's open it up near. I don't want to give away the ending of the book, but there is a bonus game review where Heyzoos reviews a game called Heyzoos Go. It's Heyzoos Go. Heyzoos Go. This looks awful beyond words. You use your phone to discover secret magic monsters called Heyzoos that are hidden in real-world locations. Try it. Point your phone at me and see if you can spot a Heyzoos. Heyzoos does that, and look what he sees. Isn't this fun? I'm having fun just watching you. There's a Heyzoos. Oh my goodness. Quickly enslave it before it runs away. There's the back cover, which actually was originally going to be the front cover, but when I was finishing the book, I thought that I came up with I did this scene at the end. I don't want to give it away. It's pretty trippy. If you like 2001 as much as I do, I think you'll love the ending. It just seemed like this made more sense for the cover. So, Heyzoos issue number 3. It looks nice. I got a whole bunch of them. Actually, these are all sold. They're all being signed and shipped out. And you can see what it looks like here next to Ethel the Cyborg Ninja number 2, which also looks the cover quality is just great in these. So, all right, that was exciting. I guess that I'll have to unbox those Hustlers later, but gives you something else to look forward to. All right, until then, you got some Heyzoos. And some Ethel. Don't want to give it away.